We're going to take one to Vancouver. Leave them this morning. Thing's been sitting for about a year. We're taking up to a place to get a transmission put in it. It'll take me about 2 hours to get up there. I'm just now heading out. Okay, well, I'm up here at Pacific Power. I just got my tow lights off. I'm going to run it back a little bit. I towed this rig up here just dropped off at Pacific Power. This is how I'm leaving it. There's no way to lock the door, so I got the driveline bolts are right there. Driveline bolts are right there, and the driveline's wrapped up there in the back, so there shouldn't be any problem taking care of things. Anyway, we're leaving it at Pacific Power, and they can take it from there. I'll just craft the end safety chain. These chains are nice. They have a pin that locks them in place so they can't come loose. The big chains have them, as do the this chain has the same safety releases. Pull the pin out. That locks the chain in right there. And I'll tell you what, those are a great safety feature. Now we'll do the last strap. Straps off. What we got left to do now, we'll put all the chains away. Then I go out back and I'll take my KG brakes off the back end, and we're ready to head back to the beach. So we'll put everything away. As I get things taken apart, I try and put them right back where Mike had them. That way they're available the next time I need them. They're easy to find. Dragging. Hills, George speaking. Where are you at? What state is that in? I'm in Ocean Park, Washington. There's a hill towing somewhere in that area, but we're over 1,000 miles from you. It'd take us a while to get there. Sorry, partner. You bet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You bet. Guy's calling me from Missouri, wanted to tow. I believe there's a hill towing in Missouri, so he somehow got my number. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to run it back. We're going to run it back. ways. Bring it up a ways just to have some room to go underneath there. Now we're going to go down and pull my caging brakes off the back. I'm not going to put the drive line back in it because it's not running. It's nice to have a nice dry spot to work anyway. Anyway, now we're going to pull the caging brakes off. These are our caging bolts. I could have hooked air to it, but it was just as easy to cage the brakes. Inside the brake, a little keyway. And you put that little T right there in a keyway, and you give it a quarter turn, and that pulls the spring brakes, and that releases the brakes. I got, right now, the left brake is locked up. They won't be able to move this truck unless they fix the brakes, or that's put air to it. Now we'll put these away. We'll make sure the brakes are holding before we take it off the wheel lift. Before we cut her loose, I'll not knowing the brakes in this rig, we'll try and go. Oh yeah, brakes are holding good, not moving anywhere. So we'll boom down. Boom in. We're clearing everything. We're all good. We're gold. We're loose. Put everything away. Brakes back in here where we don't lose them. Okay. Now, got one more line I gotta put away. I just hook an extension to it. Adapter, so you can hook two drop cords together, so if you need a longer cord, that's the adapter for it. Cool. Wind this up. Put it away. To head back to the beach. I don't know, I'm in Vancouver, Pam. I'll see you later. Love ya. Bye-bye. Do a quick walk around, make sure everything gets shut. All the doors are shut. Everything looks good. I've got back out of here. Looks good. I notice the shovel is kind of hanging funny. There we go. Okay. Home again, home again. I've been mowing this truck right here for about 4 miles, and this dipshit right here passing me. But check this out. Let's see what he does here. Oh, it'll be interesting. Oh, he didn't do a thing. I'll be damned. Rather than speeding up and merging or slowing down, he just kept going and going, expecting me to move over. I had cars next to me and I couldn't move over. And he'd look at me like I'm supposed to change what I'm doing to accommodate him. I don't get that. try and pull that in California, they'll run you off the road. The whole idea about merging is you speed up or slow down, but you don't expect the highway traffic to change their course to accommodate you. Anyway, that's my pet peeve for the day.